The under-18 sprint hurdles champion Dejour Russell have been withdrawn from Jamaica's World Championship team list, which was announced on Monday.
"17-year-old Dejour Russell, who clocked 13.32 seconds to place fourth at the National Senior Trials last month, had been listed among a 30-member strong male squad for the World Championships in London. However, the management team headed by J3A's first vice president Ian Forbes has since said that Russell, along with the two other alternates, Kenroy Anderson and Andre Clark, were inadvertently named on the original list. Forbes, who spoke with TVJ Sports from the team's pre-championship camp in Birmingham Tuesday afternoon, explained that the alternates will remain on standby.
Well, the alternates are still there, just that at this point in time they are not necessarily officially a part of the named team. But in the event that anything goes wrong, God forbid, with any of our athletes, they'll be called upon to fill in.
So the alternates are actually in the UK?
Not necessarily so, no. Not necessarily so, but they are like a doctor on call. You are prepared to move at any given time. So they are supposed to be prepared in the event that they are needed and summoned, and they make themselves available in short order.
It is believed that the exorbitant cost per athlete for the 10-day camp in Birmingham was a major factor in not allowing the alternates to travel to the UK. As it stands now, Olympic champion and world leader Omar McLeod, Hansel Parchment and Ronald Levy will contest the men's sprint hurdles. With Kenroy Anderson removed from the list, national champion Ewan Blake, Rashid Dwyer and Warren Ware will run the 200 meters. The third alternate who was removed from the list is 400-meter hurdler Andre Clark, leaving Jael Hyde, Kamar Mort and Ricardo Cunningham to take part in the one-lap obstacle race. The removal of Russell, Anderson and Clark means the men's squad has now been trimmed to 27. The women's squad remains at 29. However, our sources say that 400-meter hurdler Genevieve Russell and other fourth-place finishers at the national trials who have attained the qualifying standards for their respective event are also on standby as alternates. Meanwhile, manager Forbes also revealed that Michael Clark, who served as head coach of the last few championships, is also no longer listed among the coaching staff for London due to personal reasons.
Correct. Initially, Coach Clark was being considered. However, he had some personal issues which he had to deal with, so he had withdrawn from earlier on. So it was a mistake in terms of publishing his name as a part of the coaching staff. It was never that way, actually. And that has since been corrected.
The Jamaican athletes have already started to arrive in Birmingham. The IAAF World Championships is set for August 4 to 13 in London. Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Keon Reyna.